Alright, I'm gonna try to make this short. So, backup camera for a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. I haven't been able to really find any at all on YouTube for this car. I'm gonna tell you how to do it real quick. First thing you do is you unscrew these two bolts right here. When you unscrew these two bolts, it's a little hole right behind here that you can slip this wire through. Once you slip that wire through, it'll come through right there. See where that hole is? After you slip it through that hole, you got 4 little push pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just pop those out. Those are right here. When you pop that out, you can pull this thing down right here. When you pull this thing down, you route that wire that you had there all the way across the back of this, and then come out this hole right here. When you come out this hole right here, apparently somebody had something hooked up here before, because this is the reverse wire and bulb. Basically, you're gonna take this end of this backup camera transmitter, and you're gonna connect it there. I'll be back once I connect it. Okay, so what I did was right here I connected the red wire, which is 12 volts, to the green wire side of the backup lights. And the black wire, I just screwed that into a ground that was already part of the back of the vehicle. From there, I just got stuffed this bunch of crap inside of this little hole right here. But let me show you what happens when you put it in reverse. So that's the rear view mirror right there. And then when I put it in reverse, it comes up. And put it back in park. And goes away and turns into a regular mirror. Alright, let me go back in there and push the wires in the back so you can see what that finishes like. Be right back. Alright, so this is what it look like when this part is all back up there. And this is all back up. That's what it look like. It's a little hole right here to where you can access your bulbs. And all you gotta do with that is just put the plate back on it. This plate is actually for this one. So there's one right here I took off. And oh, here goes the other one. This is the other one. This one will go right here. Somehow. Maybe I got it upside down. Oh yeah, I did. Just like that. Let me turn off this radio so I don't get no copyright bullcrap. Alright. So from there, you got this thing right here. This is just double-sided tape. You take that and just stick it on the window. Right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna take that, stick it on the window right over here out the way. Oops, sorry. And start moving towards the front so I can hook up the mirror. Be right back after I finish that. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's stuck up there. And just close this. Done with that part. That's what the camera looks like on the back. And all you gotta do is just rotate it up and peel this little sticky crap off of it. Now in the car, what I have to do, I have to take that rear view mirror off and put that one on in its spot. To get this rear view mirror off, it should be a little spring or something like behind here, and you just take a flathead screwdriver and stick it in there and pull it off. Might be able to use my knife. Let me try that. So just take my knife, slide it behind here. You should feel like a springy thing or something. Should. But don't feel it. Alright, let me go get a flathead screwdriver. I'll be back. Alright, so this is where we at right now. I have the old mirror off. If you look right here, you'll see an indentation on there. That indentation is where you stick a really small screwdriver into the hole. When you're sticking it in the hole, you push up towards the ceiling. It's gonna be behind here. You just push up towards the top of the car and it'll pop this mirror off. It'll probably go flying over here into the passenger seat like mine did. This is the new mirror, and before I finally finish with the wires, I just want to check to make sure it's still operating properly. So it is. So as soon as I put it in reverse, the backup, everything comes on. As soon as I put it in park, it goes back to normal. Just gotta finish hiding these wires real quick and I'll be right back. I forgot to see how I'm gonna hide these wires. So basically it has to be plugged in down there in the cigarette lighter. So there's two ways you can do this. One, I can hardwire it in. But I don't have, he didn't give me any equipment to hardwire it in. And two, I just have to route it around the, up underneath of this lining right here. I come all the way along the side, come all the way behind this pillar. After I come behind the pillar, I'm probably gonna bring it through here, behind this thing, all the way down here, and route it up underneath of here, all the way over to, I get over here to where I can sneak it up in there. And he probably just going to end up getting like a, unless he got a cigarette lighter in here. No, they got these dual plug cigarette lighters. You probably just get a dual plug cigarette lighter and then he'll be able to, you know, plug in his normal cigarette lighter stuff and then this new backup camera. Alright, be back in a second. Alright, so far I got the wire tucked up there. I got it running underneath of this headliner all the way across here. Here's some kind of transmit up there. I ain't messing with that. I ran the wire behind here. Bring it through it down here. You can pull this whole strip of molding off basically and then work its way down. From here, you just tuck it up in there. Suck it up in there. Nice and neat. You come down here, tuck it up in there. Then you find a way to slip it up in here. Just like that. See that? Pull up in there. Then when you run it under here, you don't want it to interfere with the pedals ever. So you keep as much of it coiled up as possible. And you look up under here. Let's see if I can turn the light on. Not while in ultra wide lens. Give me regular lens then, honey. Alright. So you want to find safe spots to route this wire up here. Get on your ass, on your back, so you can get up under here and figure out what's the best route. For me, I'm probably gonna run behind that. If I run behind that, then that'll secure the wire over there. Right. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, there it is. Basically like threading wire through here, but you gotta do it neatly. If you don't, get tangled up in a brake wire or brake pedal, they're not gonna be happy. I don't do nothing, just pull that through. It's kind of weird to do it with one hand. Alright, I want to go, so I got it behind that. I want to go up high. I like to keep my wires up there. I want it all the way out the way. So I can go up here somewhere. Oh, my hand's getting cut up, scratched up. Alright, let's try this again. And you don't want it near any moving parts. There you go, peeking through. See it? Hopefully I can bring it all the way up there. It's getting jammed up or stuck. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Now get my hand out of here. My hand's stuck. Son of a bitch. Ah, there we go. Alright. So you take that, pull that around. Okay. And pull the rest of it all through. Oh, my hand caught up in this damn thing. Alright. Once again, check. Make sure you're not going to interfere with anything mechanical. Make sure that if you use this brake pedal, this emergency brake, it don't get caught up. So, what's next? I could probably just come right along the back of this. Go all the way back there somewhere or something. Let's see. Alright. So the OBD2 plug is right here. So I can go back behind there somewhere. Okay. No, that's a safe route. That's right here. And then reach your hand in there and pull it the rest over. Yeah. There we go. Oh. All right. So let's see what we got going on here. Leave this part of my wire and pull all my extra slack through. Okay. So, right now, I have the wire running here, running behind here, so I can stay away from this pedal. Somebody ran a wire here. That was not me. That's the manufacturer. Shame on you. Run it back behind there. Now we over here. So basically we want to keep on continuing to bring this wire across here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Whoops. My head hit the pedal, the gas pedal. Alright, so it's a little metal brace up here. I should be able to get the wire behind. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oops. I didn't mean to turn it around on me. All right. Bingo. Come on, yeah. All right. So once you get that, then you gotta pull the rest of the slack. Okay. And then you come back and you take a look. So right now I got that wire in there. Make sure it ain't gonna fall down. It's all behind there. Out of the way. Out of the way. Alright. Okay. And from here, you just gotta sneak it around there. Now the plug is on the other side, so if I can sneak it through there and bring it up the other side, we're winning. Be right back. Okay, let me show you what it is. So I didn't have to sneak it all the way over. I just pulled it right tight up in this little gap. And once you pull it tight up in the gap, it comes out right here. The owner bought out one of these little multi-plug things that he wants me to utilize. I said no problem at all, sir. Plug that in. Oh, that come on. There we go. That's back in there. We throw this. It's the camera. Or the mirror that came on. You see the green light for that came on. Then he had a little, I don't know what this is. Something else is plugged in here too. Alright. Is that a retractable cord? Shut the... I don't know that. Bingo. Alright. And then we just do a test real quick. Adjust the mirror so I can see it. Oh, it has a film over it. Pull that off. Put it in reverse. Bam, just like that. Comes up. Take it off the reverse. And it operates as a regular old backup mirror. I don't know what this is. I guess it's auto dimming. I don't know. Hold it down. I don't know. Still goes in reverse. That's all that matters to me. All right, and that's it. So the final portions is, like I said, I ran the wire up here. I ran it all the way along the headliner. I came down this pillar. I snuck it up under here, up under here. I made sure that no wires was going to dangle or nothing like that. Snuck it behind there. Came out over here. The backup camera. That's what it looks like back here. 2 screws that hold it on. The rest of the goodies are inside. You all good to go, boss?